to this tutorial where we show you how to set up single sign-on in Identity with Google as the identity provider. For those not familiar, Identity is a workforce and customer identity solution built by Celusion Technologies. We begin by registering Identity with Google. Navigate to your Google Developer Console, choose your project, and select APIs and services from the navigation menu. You need to enable the Google Plus API. Search for Google Plus API and enable this service. With the service now enabled, you need to create an OAuth client credential. Select Credentials from the left menu and create a new credential. Select OAuth Client ID, choose the application type as Web Application, give a name to your client credentials, and set the authorized redirect URIs. Add a new redirect URI, identity.solution.dev/app/sign-in-Google. Click on Create to create the OAuth client. Download the JSON, which contains your client ID and secret, which is to be configured in Identity. Now navigate to Identity. You can see that there is no option to sign in using Google. In order to set up the single sign-on configuration, log into Identity using admin credentials. Navigate to Administration, Providers, Identity Providers. Identity comes packaged with providers like Google, LinkedIn, Facebook. You can also add new identity providers to the configuration. Go on to Edit Google and copy the client ID from the downloaded JSON and paste it. Activate the Google Identity Provider and save your settings. Now click the key icon to set the client secret. Copy the client secret again from the downloaded JSON and paste it. Save your client secret and you now have Google set up as an identity provider. In order to enable single sign-on using external providers in Identity, navigate to Administration, Settings, and select External Login from the left menu. Select the option to allow external login and toggle the switch to allow single sign-on using Google. Save your settings and you should now see the Sign In with Google button on your login screen. There is one final step to link a user account in Identity to a Google account. You can log into Identity, select My Profile, and choose External Login from the left menu. You can see that no Google account is associated with the logged in user. Click on Connect to start associating an account. You will need to sign in to Google if you are not already signed in and link your account. You can now sign into Identity using Google. On the login page, click the Login with Google button. You were logged in directly because you were already signed in to Google. You can sign out of Google and see that you will be asked for Google credentials when you click the Sign In with Google button. Well, that's how simple it is to set up Identity to use Google as a single sign-on provider.